Hidden amidst the barren hills of Bandarban, Bangladesh, Rupali waterfall stands as a testament to nature's raw beauty and tranquility. Tucked away from the hustle and bustle of urban life, this enchanting cascade offers visitors a serene retreat into the heart of lush greenery and pristine landscapes. Join me as we embark on a journey to explore the captivating charm of Rupali waterfall. Located approximately 12 kilometers from Bandarban town, Rupali waterfall is a gem waiting to be discovered by nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike. The journey to the waterfall takes you through winding roads, garden forest, and picturesque village, setting the stage for an immersive experience in Bangladesh southeastern hills. To reach Rupali waterfall, one typically starts from Bandarban town either by hiring a local transport or embarking on a self-drive adventure. The route itself is a part of the experience, offering glimpses of local life and the nature beauty that surrounds Bandarban.
তো 30,000 টাকা 30 সেকেন্ড কম্বোটা তো ওই জন্য।
Upon arriving near the waterfall, visitors embark on a short trek through the forest, guided by the sound of cascading water echoing through the trees. The trail, though not overly challenging, meanders through dense foliage, creating an atmosphere of anticipation and excitement as you approach your destination. As you emerge from the forest, the sight of Rupali waterfall captivates the senses. The waterfall, gracefully descending from a height into a clear pool below, presents a mesmerizing spectacle of nature's power and grace. The surrounding rocks and lush greenery enhance the waterfall's beauty, offering ample opportunities for photography, relaxation, and contemplation.
যা যা এটা উবারটা ভাই
Visitors to Rupali waterfall often indulge in a variety of activities. Number 1. Photography. Capture the stunning vistas and play of light and shadow as the waterfall cascades down the rocks. Number 2. Nature walks. Explore the area surrounding the waterfall, discovering hidden trails and observing local flora and fauna. Number 3. Picnicking. Many visitors pack a picnic to enjoy amidst the serene ambience, making the most of the nature surrounding and shooting sound of flowing water. So pack your sense of adventure and embark on a journey to Rupali waterfall, a hidden treasure waiting to be explored in the heart of Bandarban's majestic hills. Let the shooting sounds of cascading water and the lush greenery envelop you as you immerse yourself in this nature oasis. Happy exploring!